So here's drainage coming down on the Big Cienega. Now, water came down this side, and this tree was not here. So the water continued on and washed out below here. When this tree relocated, all of this fill came in and filled up behind it, and it revectored all the water over to here. And this washout has already been repaired. So we don't really need to worry too much about this one getting re-washed out. The other one, where the drainage has been redirected by this tree here, the other one is going to get washed out, but this one that they're currently working on won't be. This is the third rocky chute that got carved out during the last rain. I'm not going to go any further, but number 3, there's nothing to slow down the water. So down below, we have the widest washout, but also the debris did not pile up as well. So we can't use the debris to rebuild the trail because it's missing. So they're using what's left, and then they're going to have to go bring in more fill to reestablish the trail. See, it didn't build up. It built up the sides. But they're going to have to bring in fill from like the slope here. And then the washout continues on down. So we're getting fill from taking fill off the slope and filling it up. The rock retaining wall has to be the same level as the trail, so they have a long way to go. Then they can fill it in with dirt. Look how they put 4 feet of rock wall and then small rocks on the base packed in with gravel. Now they're shoveling in the dirt from the sides, and they're bringing in some more fill. It's a nice wall. It's a lot of work.